is hanging low above the pine tree line. I hear the shadows whispering through the needles and the vine. I stack the cedar branches high to keep the cold away. The sparks are dancing in the dark while light begins to gray. A lonely howl begins to rise from deep within the gorge, a song of ancient spirits that the mountain winds have forged. I feel the rhythm in the ground, a pulse beneath my feet, as ancient, wild, and modern souls in this dark hollow meet. Oh, can you hear the wolves cry to the velvet sky, while the fire crackles loud and the embers fly? It's a heavy beat, a steady heat, a ghost within the flame, calling out through winter air to speak a secret name. Yeah, we're burning bright in the dead of night, watching smoke rings rise out of human sight. The snap of dry birch timber breaks the silence of the glade. I'm sitting in the orange glow where memories are made. The bass is thumping in my chest like footsteps on the trail, while hunters in the distance tell a long forgotten tale. Their voices blend with synthesizers humming in the trees, a haunting electronic drift upon the midnight breeze. My palms are warm against the heat, my eyes are tracing gold, the story of the wilderness that never will grow old. Oh, can you hear the wolves cry to the velvet sky, while the fire crackles loud and the embers fly? It's a heavy beat, a steady heat, a ghost within the flame, calling out through winter air to speak a secret name. Yeah, we're burning bright in the dead of night, watching smoke rings rise out of human sight. Snap, pop, the rhythm of the wood, howl, cry, it's finally understood. Nature's heart is beating to a digital design, where the wildwood and the wire finally intertwine. Oh, can you hear the wolves cry to the velvet sky, while the fire crackles loud and the embers fly? It's a heavy beat, a steady heat, a ghost within the flame, calling out through winter air to speak a secret name. Yeah, we're burning bright in the dead of night, watching smoke rings rise out of human